Welcome to the world of Azan Baba.
A is for apple. B is for bear. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for drum. D, drum. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. R is for rabbit.
S is for sun.
T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching the world of Azan Baba. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.